My name is Chris Smith, and I'm with the Equal Roots Coalition.
And I'm Sara Pollaro, and I'm also with the Equal Roots Coalition.
And part of the reason why we're here tonight is to make sure that each of us commits to this movement, regardless of whether or not the Supreme Court overturns Proposition 8, because as you've heard from all of our speakers, it's much more than marriage equality, it's all rights for us. So we are going to commit to a pledge, and Sarah's going to lead us, and I'm going to help us along the way, because this is the first time you've heard. It's a little bit long, but it has very important messages for each and every one of us. So if you don't have your candle lit, light it now with a friend, and please join us in this pledge.
Okay, please repeat after me. May the flame of this candle symbolize my pledge.
May the flame of this candle symbolize my pledge.
To remain steadfast in our united fight.
To remain steadfast in our united fight.
For universal equality under the law.
For universal equality under the law.
When the Supreme Court overturns Proposition 8.
When the Supreme Court overturns Proposition 8.
I pledge to protect the justices from any backlash.
I pledge to protect the justices from any backlash.
As they will have protected me, my loved ones, and the California Constitution.
As they will have protected me, my loved ones, and the California Constitution.
Should the Supreme Court fail to overturn Prop 8.
Should the Supreme Court fail to overturn Prop 8.
I pledge to keep fighting for equal rights until it is repealed.
I pledge to keep fighting for equal rights until it is repealed. Stanza 2.
The LGBT community stands at a pivotal point in history.
The LGBT community stands at a pivotal point in history.
While today our fight for equality is centered in California, tomorrow's fight must be across the country.
Tomorrow's fight must be across the country.
I vow to continue that fight.
I vow to continue that fight.
Until all LGBT people enjoy the same rights as our fellow Americans.
Enjoy the same rights as our fellow Americans.
In our personal lives.
In our personal lives.
In the workplace.
In the workplace.
And in all aspects of society.
And in all aspects of society.
May this candle illuminate my support.
May this candle illuminate my support.
For our courageous representatives in San Francisco.
For our courageous representatives in San Francisco.